So we are trying to find different items that will help us reduce plastic. And if you're out there wanting to be zero waste or reduce plastic, if you have a plastic bottle, don't throw it away and buy a glass bottle for that product. Just keep what you have and reuse it. So one of the things we're looking at is dishwashing liquid and hand soap. And we found this company called Clean Cut. It's really...
it's called Clean Cult.
Clean Cult. Clean Cult. And it's a company that's from Puerto Rico that helps Puerto Rico reestablish its industries down there as well. And this one is made...
In case you're wondering what that noise is behind, just so you know. Okay.
So this one is made with coconut oil, olive oil, potassium soap, aloe juice, really neat stuff.
You could drink it.
You could. You actually could drink it. Do you want to?
No, thanks. No straws allowed.
And it comes in a cardboard carton, which can be composted in industrial compost. And
like Danny Dumpster.
Like Danny Dumpster here in Asheville. And in some places it can be recycled. And that information is on their website. So we are trying the liquid soap. We're going to put it in the entire 16-ounce carton into our plastic bottle and use it on our dishes and our hands. And we'll let you know what we think about it.
Great idea. How much did this cost, this little box? Do you remember?
I don't remember. I got something like a...
What all came in it?
So with the box, and you get to choose what you want for your intro box, and it was less than $20 for my intro box. So
well, you got hand soap and
so we got hand soap,
or dish soap. I mean,
dish soap. We've got dishwashing tablets, and this is a recyclable.
And it goes in the dishwasher.
And this is for your dishwasher. Look at here.
Looky here. Is that real plastic?
That is actually plastic. We'll have to talk to them about
Oh, it's not the kind that dissolves?
You know what? I will read and talk about that in another video.
Sounds good to me.
Okay?
Do your research.
Okay. We'll come back and talk more about the washing powder too.